Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel Soleil's Life. Today I'll be showing you the pieces that I will be working with. First we have the two back pieces, cut singles. It's two pieces. This is the right side. And then we have the front section, which is cut on a fold, a V to the middle of the neckline would be a deep V, and the armhole. And this is also the neckline. What I did was I pinned the liner onto the armhole. So I'm going to go ahead and flat stitch down both the liners on the armhole to the front and the back. I'm also going to put a liner on the V neckline, both front and back. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Here is what the neckline looks like after I've flat stitched it down. I've also flat stitched both the armholes, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to show you the two back pieces. So here we have the two pieces for the back. The armhole was lined and the neckline also was lined to the back. So this is the back section with the two single pieces, and this will be the front section cut in a fold. So next what we're going to do is I'm going to place one side of the back and one side of the front. I'm going to place them, line them up together. I'm going to take a pin and I'm just going to go ahead and pin alongside the seam allowance. So once you're done pinning alongside the seam allowance, you're just going to go ahead, flat stitch it down, and you can serge the loose pieces also. So I'm going to do this on both sides. I'm going to flat stitch all the way along on both sides. So I'm going to join the top together in this way. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and I'm going to be back to show you what it looks like. Here we have the sides sewn. So this is what it looks like when I join the front and the back section together. I did it on both sides. This is the V neck, and this is the armholes. This is the armhole, that's the V neck. So now I'm going to work on the neckline closure. So this is where I fold it in ½ inch, then I fold it down an inch. And I'm just going to go ahead and flat stitch down here. I also did the same thing, ½ inch, and fold it down an inch, and I'm going to flat stitch here. I did the same with the back. I folded ½ inch in, then I folded an inch over, and I flat stitch it on both back pieces and both back front pieces. So this would be both sides. So this is what it's going to look like, and this is what it looks like after I've sewn the sides together, join the front and the back. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead now and flat stitch down the closure for the neckline, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Also, I'm going to hem the bottom of the top. I'm going to do the same that I did on the neckline, fold it 1/2 inch and then fold it 1 inch over and flat stitch it all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm also going to close the back. So I'm going to go ahead, flat stitch down the neckline, hem the blouse, and I'm going to close the back. The back closure is going to be just seam allowance, whatever the seam allowance is, all the way down. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and I'll be back to show you what that looks like.